I'm like in love with this eye look today. I don't know why I decided to pair yellow with orange and green originally, and then I added the red liner. But I'm definitely gonna do this again or something similar because anyway. Hello internet, welcome back, welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN's project. This project was created by Allie. As always, she will be listed down below, as well as the master list for this project, because it is a fantastic ladies collab. This is a rolling style project. I have 5 prompts pulled in, and let's talk about the products rolling out. The first goal that was hit was the goal that I pretty much expected to be hit, and that was for Alice, a childlike product. I picked the ColourPop and Animal Crossing blush in Flower Power. My goal was to use it 10 times, and it needed 2 more uses since the last update, and I hit those 2 uses on the 5th of May, pretty much the day after I filmed that update, like I predicted I would. Loved using this blush. I've been buying too many blushes, so I'm happy that some of them are getting used. It's starting to get a problem. It's starting to really become a problem. I'm like about to post my blush inventory the day I'm recording this. I haven't decided yet if I'm posting bronzer today or blush, but they're both going up today or tomorrow. And I'm a little scared to see what people think about that one, because the blush one has grown a lot. Kind of terrifying. Anyway, happy to get use on them. Next, we have one last product rolling out, which is for the prompt White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, poised, or elegant. So I picked from Colorspell a champagne eyeshadow. My goal was to use it 10 times. Since the last update, it needed 7 uses, and those 7 uses were hit on the 12th of May. Love it. Happy that this actually looks used, because the trio I have from this company don't look used at all, and I would eventually like to get them out of my collection because I have no idea if they're cruelty-free or not. It's very hard for me to find info on them. So, before we talk about what's rolling in, I'm going to talk about what is remaining and their progress. First up the bat, from oldest, we have the Cheshire Cat, which is a lip product, which I gotta try to get the cap off, which is always a mess, but this is the Melt Mini Lipstick and Frisky. My goal is to finish it, and since the last update I used it 4 times. Not the best. Kind of wonder if I can use this as a cream blush to make it go by even quicker, because I'm in a cream blush mood. But we'll have to see if I go through on that idea. Next, for White Rabbit, a product you relate buying, I have the Ofra Cloud 9 highlighter. My goal on this project is to use it 30 times. Since the last update, it needed 27 uses. I've only used it 4 times, so there's 23 more uses left to go. I don't think this will be rolled out by the next update. I'm using it as a blush topper today. We'll see. Would I like it out by next month? Yes. Do I think it's possible? Yes, but I might not force myself. But I am getting a good, like, divot in the middle. Maybe I can hit some pan. That'd be fun. But we'll have to see with that item. And this one I really hope is done by the next update. This is for Army of Cards, a product that never lets you down. I am wearing this today. This is Sugar Pills Trinket. Since the last update, I wore it 5 times. I did wear it to my college graduation like I said I would. We're pretty much at the last bottom. I am not pulling the stopper out. Once it stops giving me product and it starts becoming dry, I will call it done. It should be done by the next update. Very excited about that. I love Sugar Pills formula, so I always feel very proud of myself when I use one up. So now, the item's pulling in. So, this first prompt is a quote, and it's not all who wander are lost. And the prompt is a product you discovered by accident or wandered upon randomly. So this is an item that I randomly bought from Ulta because I wanted to hit free shipping, and I love it. And this is the LA Girl Hollow Glam glitter topper. What are these technically called? It doesn't say it on here. I think they're like glitter holic toppers. I bought it on a whim. This was in Happy Blue Year last year. My goal is going to be to use it 10 times. I really do like it. It does have glitter in it, which I gotta be in the mood for, but I am wearing glitter today. So I think I'm gonna be in a very, I'm gonna call it a fancy mood, but like, you know, you gotta be willing to deal with the glitter in order to put the glitter on. So I think I'll be in a high maintenance mood for that. But it's a nice white blue shift. Hopefully we'll go good with some of the stuff I'm panning in other projects. That's my goal. And then the other item, the other prompt. I'm not gonna have fun with this one. The prompt is Mad Hatter, a product that drives you insane. This product drives me up a wall. I don't think I've ever talked about this product on here. And I also just figured out something else, but we'll talk about that in a minute. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield primer with a universal tint. First off, I just found out this product is expired, and this product is up to here. I haven't had any reactions when wearing it. I'm assuming the SPF in it is expired, which is what it means by that, which is makes sense. So if I start having reactions, then obviously this will get canned, but my goal is to finish it. Universal tint, bro. There's nothing universal about the color orange, because that's the tint. It's orange. So it's too dark for me, but I want to get it out because not only obviously it's expired now, but it's one of my oldest primers and I can only wear it in the summertime because of the tint. So I have gotten tanner. You can tell by my arms, not really my face, because I'm still wearing the same foundation, because I mean I can pull it off, but I have started to get tan. So I will be able to wear this, and obviously in this next month I'm going to test. If it gives me any sort of reaction, then obviously it's done. It's gonna get called done, and I'm just gonna roll in a new prompt in its place. But yeah, I would like to try to finish it because I know I bought it because of the SPF, but I really wish I saw the fact that it had a tint, because if I saw it had a tint, I wouldn't have bought it. Because I know I can't wear universal tints. I'm too pale for that. Nothing's universal about a translucent skin tone. Anyway. I love roasting how pale I am, because I feel like sometimes in videos I look like normal, but then it's like if you were to come with me to match foundations, none of them match me. I was trying the Fenty foundations the other day to just show my boyfriend them because I like them, and I was trying the new what did she come out with, the skin tints, whatever the newest foundation line she came out with, and yeah, the 100 too yellow, the other one too yellow. They were all just too yellow and didn't match me. Too pale. They're all sticking off with a white foundation from LA Girl. But all jokes aside, love this project. Hopefully Trinket will be done by the next update. I feel like with Cloud9 I might try to get close, because that I feel like is realistically the next item to get rolled out besides Hollow Glam, but I might keep this in to have as like a, you know, it's a fun product. It's a glitter. So I don't expect me to get close to 10 uses next update. I feel like maybe a 1 or 2 on this guy. Definitely not a 10. Yeah. Really liking it. I feel like I really enjoy my current progress in this project. P words, man. I can't speak. Yeah, I feel like I'm going really smooth with this project. Very excited. Yeah, got a lot more prompts to go. Can't wait to get to them. So don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project. And as always, if you enjoyed me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.